Hello, what is up, delicious peeps? So maraming nagtatanong no sa mga groups, sa mga pages, sa kilala, friends, kung kamusta yung hiring ng nurses dito ngayon sa UK. So quick video lang para sagutin yung tanong na yan, mabigyan kayo ng konting idea. But first of all, don't take this video as like an accurate, definite source of facts para sa ganyang informasyon tungkol sa hiring dito sa UK. I-share lang namin sa inyo kung ano yung informasyon na alam namin, kung ano yung experience, direktang experience namin dito bilang nurses here in the UK. We highly recommend go to reliable websites para sa mga ganyang updates. Now, dito sa sitwasyon namin, particularly dito sa Cambridge, naka-freeze, no? Naka-freeze yung pag-hire. There was a time even na wala doon sa website ng Jobs for Our Trust. Pag sinabing trust, yun yung buong institusyon, no? Buong ospital, okay? Lahat ng departamento, pag sinabing trust din yun. Kung hindi pa kayo familiar, kung nasa Pilipinas kayo. So, NHS Trust. So, dito, Cambridge University Hospital, NHS Trust. National Health Service Trust. So, sa buong trust namin, there was a time na tinanggal pa talaga mismo nila. In-advise naman nila kami ahead of time. Tinanggal nila yung listahan ng hiring para sa mga nurses. Kahit internal na job. Anong isipin ng internal? Yung ang applicant ay galing din mismo sa loob ng trust. Maski yun, wala. As in absent. Meron ka lang health allied or admin, medical, parang hindi ko alam, parang nawala rin yata, ganyan. Yung mga ganun serbisyo. Yung specific section para sa mga nurses, tinanggal. Okay? And there are some news as well, if you have not seen in some pages, in some groups, na yung hospital nila, naka-freeze din yung hiring. So, merong ginagawa yung UK ngayon na malaking adjustment, or yung England, particularly, malaking adjustment sa kanilang budgeting, sa kanilang health service. So, apektado ngayon yung pag-hire ng mga nurses. Nagsimula silang maghigpit ng konti sa kanilang budget or magbawas ng pag-hire since the last 2 years, I would say, kung saan parang nabawasan yung pag-hire ng mga English or England hospitals in England. Yung pag-hire nila ng mga nurses from the Philippines nabawasan. Nakita ko rin sa mga group yan. Pero ngayon, as in almost completely stopped. Recently, kahit nabawasan na, kahit within the last 2 years, binawasan na yung pag-hire ng mga Filipino nurses. Recently, may mga nurses na na-hire sa trust namin. I'm talking about the latest would probably 5 months ago. Before 5 months ago, mayroon pa rin mga dumarating na nurses, pero usually, I'm talking about Filipino nurses, even African and Indian nurses. Mayroon pa rin mga dumarating, but usually, yung mga Filipinong dumating dito ay galing sa Middle East. Hindi sila hinire direkta from the Philippines. Meron akong isang ka-work, no? Ayun lang yung direct experience ko, no? For sure, meron pang iba dyan sa hospital namin na hindi ko alam, na hindi ko kilala. However, medyo isolated yung kaso namin kasi yung Addenbrooke's, yung hospital namin, medyo malakas sila talaga mag-hire. Maski dati pa, 1 bus, 2 bus, sinusundo sa airport. Yung mga ganon. Or mag-batch lang tinitrain nila to pass certain exams here dito. Dozens of nurses. But in the recent years, before, predominantly Filipinos, but recently, more like Indians and Africans. I have a theory kung bakit ganon, and I believe it's related to the budget. But, again, I don't know accurate information about it, but that is just to share what the current situation is, what the current climate is here in our area when it comes to job opportunities for nurses. Now, what's gonna happen next? If this is the current situation, ano sa tingin mo mangyayari in the future, Mami? Kailan kaya babalik?
Maybe abutin ng ilang years bago makarecover pa financially.
No, kung makaka-recover pa, no? I'm not being pessimistic about it. I want to be optimistic, but I'm also more like realistic. Kasi ang UK, isa sa mga first world countries, or maybe the last and the only first world country na hindi makarecover mula pa nung COVID. Yung ibang bansa, after 2 years, 3 years, back to normal na, economy-wise. Pero ang UK, hindi pa rin naka-move on. Maraming factor involved dyan, but that's for another video. So, hindi natin alam, yung backlog nila sa nurses, kahit naman iba pang first world countries, ang tagal ng problema yan. Pero ang UK is medyo slow sa bagay na yan. So, I'm thinking, if I'm gonna be sitting on the optimistic side of it, maybe 3 years at least, no? And bakit ko nasabi? Dahil yan sa sistema ng pagpapalit nila ng gobyerno dito. I don't wanna delve too much on that, but I think after 3 years pa medyo gaganda yung sitwasyon, yung kondisyon when it comes to opportunities sa hiring. Sana mas maaga, which is mas okay naman syempre. So I guess yun lang para for this video, a quick update on that matter. Time na rin para pumasok sa surgery. Doon, yung surgery, when I say surgery, yun yung GP, no? Time na para pumasok doon sila Mami tsaka si Crystal. So yun lang, no? Sana nakatulong. Always remember, if meron pa kayong mga questions, lagay nyo lang sa comment section. We'll try to respond to it. If not by comment, by another video. So hopefully, again, this was helpful. Always remember to share a smile.
And spread the love because
Life is delicious. See you in the next one.
Bye. Bye.
Grab your bag, pack your coat, walk on out through the door, to the street, to the highway. You and me will go explore.